We're making a purse strap for Melissa Prince. Melissa Prince has a wonderful canvas design that she's made into a clutch, but she put rings on each side so that she could attach a purse strap. So Doug is using some Kreinik threads to make a really long purse strap using Kreinik threads. When you cord with the Kreinik Custom Corder, your measurement, take the measurement of whatever your final cord needs to be and multiply it times 3. That's how much thread you need. We want ours to be kind of thick, so he's using multiple strands of our heavy braid in black to match the purse. Now she's going to hold the end. You have to hold them tight. This is kind of exaggerated. For most ornaments you don't need to make one this long, but and this many strands. But we have Meredith Willett from Meredith Collection. So we have an observer coming in. It's cording away. Now we're collecting all the ends. And we did multiple strands like this because we wanted it to be super thick. And we're using a big area because we need it to be really long to make this purse strap. And there it's cording.
Very cool. That's beautiful.
Well done.
Love it.
Now we have a nice cord that we're going to use on a purse strap.